Okay, so here's part B. So how do you want to get started?
Well, I'm gonna write down the speeds.
4.4, 4.8, and 5.0. Okay.
Now what?
So we could find the least common multiple
Now what?
of all of these. Like, we could see how long it takes this guy to run that much, and this guy to run that much, and this guy to run that much.
Okay. The tricky thing about the least common multiple here is these are speeds. So say somebody was running 1 meter per second and someone was running 2 meters per second around this track. What's the least common multiple?
Well, 2.
Okay, what does that tell you?
Nothing.
Why?
Because this isn't really about least common multiples. It's more of a speed problem.
Well, it actually is a little bit about least common multiples, but the least common multiples of the speeds it doesn't tell you very much, is the problem.
Yeah.
So you want to try something else.
2, 4,
So the track was 500 meters.
Yeah.
15, 18,
Maybe you could see if it's like
24.
how long it takes them to run a lap each.
Okay. That's an interesting idea. How long does it take them to run a lap?
Well, for this guy, it's going to be 100 seconds.
30,
Okay.
30 to 24, that was a close game.
But these guys aren't going to be, well, this guy definitely isn't going to be a whole number of seconds.
Okay.
So it could get complicated.
It could be complicated. How do you know that 4.4 is not going to go into 500 in an
This is
easy way?
divisible by 11.
Not divisible by 11. How about 4.8 into 500?
Not divisible by 3.
Not divisible by 3, so it's going to be tough.
Well, then what can we do?
Yeah, this is what makes this tricky.
It's like, these numbers don't really go very well together.
Seems like they don't. Seems like they don't. So, what does it mean when two of these people meet, when they end up at the same place?
Well, they're all running in the same direction, right?
Yeah, that's what it says. They're all running in the
So,
same direction.
Like they both start running, and then one guy goes all the way around and then meets up with the other guy.
Okay, so what does that mean in terms of their position on the track when they meet?
Well, this guy is a lap ahead of this guy.
Ah, so that's the interesting thing here about a circle. See, if they were running in a straight line, they'd never meet, right?
Yeah, because one guy would, like, if this guy was running faster, he'd just pass.
And that'd be it. You'd never see each other again.
Yeah.
But they're not. They're running in a circle. So a critical thing to try to understand here is when they meet, that means one person's one lap ahead of the other one. So how does that information help us?
Well, we could figure out maybe how many laps ahead this guy is when he meets, and this guy is when he meets this one.
Okay. So what do you want to do?
I'm not sure how to, but I'm not sure how to do that.
Ah, okay. All right. Well, let's talk about that then.
All right.